The best food processors make life easier when you are cooking for a crowd or simply prepping for a meal for one. They effortlessly blitz through dicing, slicing, grinding and kneading. There are many products available to choose food processor, each product with different benefits, features and prices. To help you make an accurate decision, I've done much research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best food processor from reputable brands. After a lot of research, I found these products for people like you. If you need to know about the price and other information, don't forget to check my descriptions. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Kitchena 13-cup food processor. Easily tackle tough chopping, shredding and kneading tasks with a powerful motor and durable blades. This 13-cup food processor is the right capacity for every meal-making occasion, big or small. And it's easier than ever to elevate all of your everyday meals with all of the functions it has to offer. Chop, shred, precision slice, knead, mix and puree everything from fresh veggies to cheeses, dafs, sauces, salsa and so much more. The 3-in-1 feed tube reduces prep time, allowing you to process a variety of ingredient shapes and sizes, tomatoes, cucumbers, potatoes and more. In addition to being easy to use, all of the accessories fit nice and neat in the included storage caddy, which nestles directly inside the 13-cup bowl. Number 4. Ninja BN601 Professional Plus. The Ninja brand has been a leader in kitchen appliances, delivering innovative products for decades. Now introducing the Ninja Professional Plus food processor. Make food prep easier with its power, intelligence, and versatility. The 1000 peak watt motor and preset programs chop veggies, shred cheese, and make smooth sauces and cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of a button. The 9-cup processing bowl delivers consistent results whether you are chopping a small batch or an entire bowl full of ingredients, great for large families and entertaining guests. Powerful dough mixer has the torque to fold in ingredients quickly and evenly, making up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. Simply pulse some warm water and a couple small drops of dish soap to quickly clean the bowl and blades. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Includes 1000 peak watt motor base, 9-cup precision processor bowl with feed chute lid and pusher, quad chopping blade, DAF blade, reversible slicing and shredding disc, and 20 recipe inspiration guide. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor. Designed to be uniquely simple, the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap 12-cup food processor requires no twisting, turning or locking during assembly. Easy to use, disc attachments are reversible and labeled, which takes the guesswork out of processing. Eliminates guesswork by showing you which blade to use and which button to press. Chop and puree with the stainless steel S blade. Shred and slice with the reversible disc. This large 12-cup food processor comes with a sealed bowl to prevent leaks when processing liquid recipes such as salsa, soups, and dressings. This Hamilton Beach food processor fits whole foods for quick, easy processing and less pre-cutting. Packs plenty of power to process all types of ingredients with high and low speeds, as well as pulse for quick bursts of power. A handy cord storage area hides the cord when not in use to reduce countertop clutter. Use this versatile machine to easily prepare ingredients for all your favorite recipes. Number 2. Kitchena DFP14BCNY. The Kitchena DFP14BCNY custom food processor has an extra-large feed tube that holds whole fruits and vegetables. Kitchena's 720-watt motor for our 14-cup large-capacity food processor can handle almost anything. Make any kind of dip, puree, super sauce including hummus, salsa, guacamole. The 14-cup food processor has an on and off buttons with a Lexan bowl. The 14-cup work bowl has the ability to process large amounts of food for family-size meals and entertaining purposes. Accommodates whole fruits and vegetables to fit inside for less pre-cutting and with ease. The DFP14 does everything you need: mix, chop, slice, shred, knead, emulsify, puree, and mix dough. The durable and consistent stainless steel blades power through any prep task, from single garlic cloves to heavy dough. Included, 4mm stainless steel standard slicing disc, medium shredding disc and stainless steel chopping blade. Also includes a spatula, instruction manual and recipe booklet with dishwasher-safe parts. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper. One of the biggest frustrations in food processing is stopping to scrape down the sides of the bowl. All this stopping and starting is inefficient, especially when you need to get dinner on the table. With the Hamilton Beach Bowl Scraper food processor, you save time when chopping or pureeing. No need to stop and remove the lid to dislodge food from the side of the bowl. The built-in scraper does the work for you, and you can use it while the processor is on or off for continuous processing. The generous capacity can handle processing large volumes of foods, like a whole head of cabbage, without having to stop to empty the bowl, and the large feed chute can fit large foods like a whole block of cheese, for quick easy processing, and less prep time. Use the slicing disc to slice cucumbers, apples, mushrooms, carrots, potatoes, cabbage, tomatoes, pepperoni, peppers, radishes, firm cheeses, etc. Use the shredding disc to shred cabbage, potatoes, carrots, and cheese. Use the chopping or mixing blade for chopping nuts, meat, garlic, onions, peppers, celery, herbs, bread and crackers. Use low speed, high speed or pulse driven by a powerful 450-watt motor. Dishwasher-safe blades, bowl and lid make cleanup easy. Parts are BPA-free in all food zones. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please, stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.